Hi, it's Peter Carney from My Food Garden. I'm here at our Draper food garden, and I'm this compost area here. We made a biodynamic compost heap here at the end of March, and it's now late June, so that's 4 months. April, May, June, sorry, 3 months. And the compost heap has got about 1.5 to 2 months to go. So there's been no turning of the compost heap to date, and it was a mixture of dry matter, green matter, cow manure, various minerals, and the biodynamic compost preparations and water. So it was all laid together, piled on top in this bay here, which is about just under 2 meters wide, and the heap was piled up, and it's reduced in size to probably about half with no turning. So you can see the state of this mixture here, which is pretty good. There's still some organic matter in here. See the organic matter? There's plenty of worms in here, and it's very, very sticky, this soil. It has a beautiful earthy smell, but see the organic matter in there has got to break down yet. So in the next month or so it will break down. So what I've decided to do to help that process, and also to create a bit more air into the mixture, is to move this heap into this space here. You see I've been piling it from here onto here, and this will build up to a reasonable height here so that there's some depth in it. And this bay is really our bay for finished compost, and so this is the bay for compost being brewed and the bay on the end is our garden scraps that have been accumulating as we've been progressively changing crops in this beautiful big garden here. Changing into winter season crops. So there's heaps of things growing in here, but also things finishing off like those cucumbers there. So the matter from here is moved by shovel into here. So that's only one move for the heap, and then it's left in here for about 1.5 months, and it will be perfect compost. So yeah, a bit of labour to make it, but really turning compost more often is not better. The microbial life is much stronger in the heap if it's not turned too often. And so yeah, this is a process of allowing the living system to do the work, but guiding it with the right ingredients and the biodynamic compost preparations, which do a fabulous job of balancing all the key minerals in the compost heap, like silica, sulfur, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, iron. A whole range of minerals are all balanced beautifully with the compost preps. So we're going to make another one of these heaps, which in this space here, at our next biodynamic workshop, 2-day workshop, and that's on the 20th and the 21st of July in these beautiful gardens here. So we still have some spaces at that workshop, so you can register on our website myfoodgarden.com.au and hit the workshops tab and you'll find it. Love to see you there. Thanks. It's Peter Carney.